What's up, guys? It's me, Umair. So the question is that can you make a career as a freelancing and web development? The question should be why you should be working for someone else when you can work for yourself. Okay, let me read the question. Hey, I'm from Bangladesh. I have watched your video. I'm a JavaScript. I'm in JavaScript programming. Okay. Now I'm sounding good or I'm sounding right now? Tell me in a comment, okay? My question is, can I be a good in JavaScript programming? Okay. How much money can I earn? How much demand for JavaScript programming future? Okay, let me put it in a simple way. Become a freelance developer for JavaScript. It's not that hard. And when you become a freelance JavaScript web developer, just print your flyer, just print your pamphlet, go to your local business, knock on the door. Sir, do you need a website? Sir, do you need a website? Sir, I offer website service. Blah blah blah. And then now for the scale, how much you can earn? Again, it depends. You don't need many clients. If you can easily get 3 or 4 clients per month by an hour, you can earn some good money. But other than that, the future of JavaScript is quite bright. If you can get into 2D JavaScript development, again, that is something awesome. You can get into node.js, AngularJS, also that is awesome. So yeah, my advice will be that first master the craft of JavaScript. Learn JavaScript as much as you can, master the hell out of it, and then build some flyer, register your business. Normally you don't register. I mean, if you register much, it will be much better. And then just print some flyer, go to your local business, knock on the doors. That's all I can say. It was me, Umair. Subscribe and bye.